Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Chino Rodriguez, Mama Sigrid Channel, a faith healer, also matarder. So ngayong hapon, natatagan natin ang sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of December 7 hanggang December 13 for the sign of Scorpio. So Scorpio, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, at spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Scorpio signs ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updates. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, naway pagpalaing kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik liglig na guumapaw, na biyayang manong balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages advice sa iyo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Scorpio. So let's see and watch this. Angel Spirit Guide, please give me information. Paano kayo gusto sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga baraha? Angel Spirit, please give information po. There is a Chariot card. There is something movement, no? And actions and development. So ito na yung parating na daw, no? There's something to joining forces na magtutulong ang ating angel spirit para may isa katuparan na matagal mo nang inaasam-asam. There's a Four of Wands by celebration. No? Unti-unti nang makakaranas ng mga tagumpay at mga success na mangyayari sa buhay mo. And this is a Knight of Cups. There's something offer. No, there's a lot of offer, proposal, engagement, and of course achievements. No? And this is a Seven of Swords in reverse. So there's a no more hidden, no more secrets, no? At maaaring mailantad sa iyo lahat ng mga bagay-bagay, no? Maibabahagi na sa iyo mga bagay na hindi mo pa lubos na uunawaan at nakikita. There's a Nine of Pentacles. So this is something security. Magiging secure ka pagdating sa finances, no? Kumbaga, i-secure mo ang finances mo or something maging control ka sa about sa pagkakaperahan, no? Ingatan. There's an additional messages. And there's a Queen of Pentacles. There's a good sense pagdating sa interview nyo. No, alam mo sa sarili mo kung paano mo patatakbuhin at pangangalaga ng finances mo. See, nakikita mo yan. There's something good sense. And there's a pattern. Alam niya kung paano niya idadaan, no? Or alam niya yung pagdadaanan kung paano niya mailalabas yung eksena, no? Paano niya mareresolba yung mga bagay na pinaggagawa niya. There's a star na nagre-represent dito with the hope. May pag-asa daw, no? So let's see what is a Chariot card. There's a Three of Pentacles. So this is something collaborations, no? A lot of transactions. And sa communications. Sinasabi dito guys, no, kumbaga magkakaroon dito ng coordination with your friends, with your co-workers, no? Kailangan kumilos, gumalaw ka. Kailangan mo maging productive, no? Sa paggawa ng pera. Ganun. Hindi pwedeng nakatunganga ka, it's time to move on or something, get more information or something, taken actions. The Four of Wands represent with the Two of Wands by choices. No? Piliin mo yung mga bagay-bagay, no, na alam mong ipapanalo mo. What is the Knight of Cups? Knight of Cups represent the Queen of Swords, a bigger picture. Unti-unti mo na makikita, no, yung possibilities, yung magiging outcome na eksena, and there's something offer for you na maaari mag-fulfill na. And this is something, the Ace of Cups. No, there's no more cheating, no more lying pagdating sa love life. What is the Nine of Pentacles? So this is the Six of Cups. Oh. I-secure mo yung finances mo pagdating sa family or something about naman dito sa nakaraan nyo or about sa nakaraan mo. No? Kung i-secure mo, kung ayaw mo bumalik ulit sa eksena, kailangan i-secure mo yung mga pinaghirapan mo. There's a Queen of Pentacles. So this is the Three of Wands. Waiting for a ship or waiting for a soul. No? May mga bagay na kailangan mong hintayin. Huwag mo binamadali ang eksena. There's a Five of Cups in regret, and of course in reverse. So there's a something acceptance, no? Kapag upright yan, ibig sabihin dito disappointment. And of course regret, no? But this is something upright na nag-represent with acceptance, no? So let's see what is the Four of Wands across the Two of Wands. So this is a Page of Pentacles with an investment. No? Choose no? Choose wisely, and of course, choose kung saan ka mag-i-invest, no? Time, effort, na alam mo ipapanalo mo. Hindi lahat ng laban na nilalaban. May mga laban na sinusukuan din. Kung alam mong hindi ka mag-grow dyan. There's a Knight of Cups, because the Queen of Swords. This is the Three of Swords. No, kumaga kilala mo na kagad yung mga taong naiinggit. There's a lot of insecure sa'yo. No, there's a lot of marites, chismosa, ichosera. Alam mo sa sarili mo yung growth mo, kumaga kung sino yung pagkakatiwalaan mo. There's a Seven of Swords in reverse, and the Ace of Cups, represent with the Strength card. Lakas mo loob mo, maging matapang ka. And of course, there's a Knight of Pentacles, and the Six of Cups. So, this is Star card and healing. Now, there's a recovery from the past. No, maaaring makalaya ka na sa sigalot, lungkot, paghihirap ng nakaraan. No? Maaaring ito na yung panahon ng pag-ahon. Panahon ng pagbangon. No? This is the Knight of, this is something the Queen of Pentacles, and the Three of Wands. This is the Sun card. There's a pure positive outcome. Magiging maganda ng kalalabasan dito. Maghintay ka. Hindi naman yan namamadali. No? Kumbaga, wala pagdating sa mga kaganapan sa buhay mo, walang instant dyan. No, lahat ng bagay na nagdadaan sa tamang proseso. Step by step. No? Hindi yan, kumbaga, walang shortcut sa buhay. Kailangan mong pagdaanan. Mas masarap maramdaman ang tagumpay kung ito ay yung pinaghirapan. The fruit of labor. So, let's see what is the outcome. The outcome is the represent with the Four of Pentacles. There's something saving money, protect your power, protect your energy, no? Kumbaga, kailangan limitahan mo yung gastos, no? Kailangan magtipid, mag-imbak, or something pag-isipan mo kung paano pagyayabungin yung finances mo. And this is something the Empress card for a river, no? This is the moment na parang babaguhin na yung kinagisnan mo, or maaaring ibalik na yung katawan lupa mo, or eksena dito, na parang ibabalik na yung sigla, ganda, no? Ng iyong buhay. This is something the Two of Swords, there is a decision that you need to make, no? Kailangan na mabuo itong decision na to matapos na. Waksiin mo yung mga bisyo, yung mga luho, alisin mo yan. So, let's see additional messages. Pagdating sa finances and career, so this is the Knight of Wands for slowly but surely. Kumbaga, pagdating sa career mo, gamayan mo. Mabagal man, pero sinisigurado dito mapapasa ito. Na, kumbaga, sa larangan ng tagumpay, walang madalian dyan. Kailangan mong dumaan sa tamang proseso. The more na nagmamadali ka, magkakamali ka. There's a Five of Swords with a self-sabotage. No, magkakaroon ng sabotahe dito with yourself kapag nagmadali ka. Pag naging aggressive ka or naging greedy ka sa isang situation, diyan ka magkakamali. Kaya kailangan gamay-gamay lang. And of course, this is something the Hierophant for a lesson learned. Matuto ka na sa mga pinagdaanan mo from the past. No? Pagdating sa love life, represent with the Seven of Pentacles with a harvest time. So, maaaring this is the moment kung mga nakaraang panahon at pagkakataon, lagi ka nasasaktan na bibigo, this is the moment para, diba, ma-fulfill yung kaligayahan talaga, no? And this is the Hermit card. Oh, perfect timing, divine timing. Na pagdating sa pag-ibig, makakawala ka na sa bagay na kinakatakutan mo, no? Kumbaga, ito yung pag-ibig na mag-ano sa'yo, magliligtas sa'yo sa lungkot at kumbaga, lungkot na nagsilbing kirot dun sa nakaraan mo. Ito yung pagbangon at ito yung panahon na para, diba, mahalin ka pabalik. Ganon. Additional messages pagdating sa health. This is something the Moon card, no? A truth reveal. And because this is a Knight of Swords with a success driven. No? Magsa-success ka. Bago pa ibigay sa iyo yung eksena na yun, nararamdaman mo na kailangan mo mag-pay attention. No? There's something dream. Mayroong pinapasok sa panaginip mo. Kailangan mag-pay attention ka. There's an Ace of Pentacles with a big shot and big money coming in for you. There's a lot of offer. Kaya kailangan prepare ka. Kasi itong bagay na to, yung paghuhubog sa'yo para makuha mo yung malaking offer na yon. No? There's a big offer coming in for you. At itong offer na to, don't be miss it. No? So, let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit guides. Ang ganda. Ang ganda na reading mo for this week na parang ang laking pasabog. Ganon, na makaka-recover ka na, magkakaroon ka ng healing, emotional healing, and physical healing, and because parang parang, ito na yung parang, this is something jackpot, no? Parang, hindi lang siya nanalo sa lotto, something like that. Parang, ipinanalo mo, no? Yung laban na sinimulan mo. For yun and yung Oracle card. There's an ancestor guides, no? There's a lot of guidance, no? Marami kang gabay dito, guys. And this is something Ace of Earth, no? May kinalaman ka sa Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Maaring yun ang person mo. And this is something nurture, no? Napakabuti ng, at kumbaga passionate pagdating sa love ka talaga. And because this is something temptation, na kumbaga there's a something temptation, kumbaga malayo ka sa tukso dapat, no? Lapitin ka ng mga tukso. You are attracted to anyone. Malakas ang charisma mo at charm mo. Ganon. Sex appeal mo malakas din. Let's see what is the romance angels. Represent with the non-committal independent. No, kaya tayo talaga tayo sa sarili mo pa dito. Additional messages. And of course, dito sabi dito, there's something anxieties, worries. No, alisin mo yung nagbibigay ng depression and stress sa'yo. No? There's a trouble, guys. Magkakaroon pa ng lot of trouble coming in for you. Maganda ka na, galang-gala ka dito. There's a lot of experiences and adventure, no? What is the magical fairy messages represent? Flower power, no? This is the moment para, di ba? A healing powers for emotional, physical, mental, and this is something growing talaga. This is something children. No? May kinalaman sa mga children mo. Mga bata-bata, gano'n. Baka may anak ka na, may mga inaalagaan ka, gano'n. For synchronicities, let's see. And there's trust. Magtiwala ka, 'di ba? Nagtitiwala ka dito or magtitiwala ka. There's something planting seeds. Kung ano yung mga bagay na tinanim mo, siya nga anihin mo, 'di ba? And this is something start off for something healing, recovery, and this is something freeze. Mas bata sa yung person mo. And there's something wisdom. Maliliwanagan ka sa lahat ng mga bagay na nangyari sa iyo. Even the dark side, no? Kahit na nandoon ka sa puntong napakadilim na ng parte ng buhay mo, liliwanag yan. And this is something the child, no? Magkakaroon ka ng panibagong eksena. There's something blessing then coming in for you. Let's see, guys, now what is Archangel Michael messages for you? For Archangel Michael messages for you, represent your home is protected by angels, no? Protektado naman daw ang inyong tahanan ng ating gabay. And this is a pay attention to your dreams. See? I told you, di ba? Makinig ka sa mga panaginip mo. There is something information dyan. And be gentle with yourself. No, wag mo masyadong pinapressure yung sarili mo. Magdahan-dahan ka lang. Let's see what is additional messages with chakra messages. Pero guys, this is something in face. May sumusubok ka harangin yung eksena mo dito. Mag-iingat ka sa pagtitiwala ng kahit na sino, no? Mag-iingat ka. And there's something creation. See, may gumagawa talaga ng eksena sa'yo, guys. There's something orasyon or evil eye. There's a perseverance. Kailangan mo magtiyaga, no? Kapag may tiyaga, may nilaga, no? Kailangan mong pagmuni-munihan, pag-isipan, no? At may mga bagay na kailangan mo muna pagtrabahuhan at paghirapan. For Montology, surrender to the divine. No? Kailangan mo i-surrender ang lahat ng mga bigat, ng mga pasakit, pasanin, and emotional running high. Magiging emotional ka this time. Parang makakawala ka na sa lungkot at sakit ng nakaraan. And this something confident is your key to success. Basta lakasan mo, loob mo, maging matapang ka. Magtatagumpay ka. So, let's see what is the angel's answer. Represent what? For the angel's answer, represent within the next few months, sa mga susunod na buwan. No? Kumbaga, pag natapos itong buwan na to, maaaring for the next year, maaaring kumbaga, this changes coming in talaga. And meditation bring answer, no? Kung ano man yung mga bagay na hiniling mo, pinagdasal mo, dinevotion mo, lahat mangyayari, ito na masasagot na. And be assertive, no? Being optimistic, guys, and at the same time, dapat alam mo sa sarili mo yung grounds mo and your beliefs, no? Yung pinaniniwalaan mo, ang pinaniniwalaan mo, at yung mga bagay o pananaw mo. Let's see what is Archangel Raphael. And this is unconditional joy. Oh, meron kang bagay na parang maliit lang yung bagay na yun o ibang, kumbaga, hindi para matuwa ka pero ang babaw ng kaligayahan mo sa parte na to, no? And this is something school. Lessons. May mga bagay na dapat ka matutunan. And this is a family. Related ka dito with your family. You are family-oriented or sa maaring ikaw yung supporters, no? Or breadwinners. Let's see what is our romance angels, no? Pagdating sa Angel Spirit Guides, codependence, no? Something addiction or affecting your romantic life, no? Some of you guys merong addiction dito na with your person, maaring merong bisyo, may luho, ayun yung nakaka-apekto sa inyong relasyon. And this is something of finances and career. No, konektado ang finances and career with your love life. Additional messages with an Angel Spirit Guides. Okay, there is a balance. So, kailangan mo maging balance, guys, ha? And this is a changes coming in for you, no? Magbabago na raw lahat ng eksena and this something discipline. Kailangan mo ng tamang disiplina sa isip. No? Let's see what is additional messages with an Angel Spirit Guides. And there is something manifesting, no? Kumbaga sinasabi dito, kumbaga mag-invest ka na mag-invest so something na parang kumbaga hayaan mong gumawa ka ng tama, no? Lahat ng mga bagay aanihin mo yan at the end of the time. And this is something waxing wound with the self-inventory. Mag-invest ka sa sarili mo. And this is something trust. Just magtiwala ka, no? Na lahat ng mga bagay na nangyayari sa iyo ay may ibig sabihin at may kahulugan, no? Lahat ng mga bagay na yan, magtiwala ka sa na plano ng ating Panginoon yan at alam mo at alam niya na ipagkakatiwala yan sa iyo at alam mo na may isa sa katuparan yan. Let's see what is the energy. First chakra, Archangel Michael. Wow, protection. Pinoprotection ng kanang ating Archangel Michael. Wow. And there's the thinking women. No, you are also overthinking or paranoid. And there's a broken heart. Meron dito guys, meron ditong nasakta na sa kumbaga napaglaruan maaring maraming pinagdaanan, no? Let's see what is additional messages. And there's a jump in. Say yes to change, no? Dapat handa ka sa pagbabago. Huwag mo dapat, kumbaga, inaano yung sarili mo dyan sa nangyayari sa'yo. Huwag ka magstay dyan, no? Kailangan be optimistic, panatiliin positibo ka sa lahat ng eksena. And empathic with starseed, absorbing what not yours, no? Huwag mong tanggapin yung mga bagay na hindi pa para sa'yo. No? Huwag mong pangunahan. No? For Jesus' loving quote said, judge not that you be the judge. Huwag mong husgahan yung plano ng ating Panginoon sa'yo. Hayaan mong ipagkaloob niya sa'yo, no? Yung mga bagay na what you deserve, guys. Kailangan mo ipagkatiwala yan. So, let's see what is the angel's number. 4444, blessing this, guys. See? Lahat ng mga nangyayari sa buhay mo, it's a blessing this, guys. No? Kaya yan nauudlot, kaya yan hindi mo nakukuha kasi may dahilan at may plano ang ating Panginoon. Kaya, siguro, magtiwala ka. Kumbaga, hindi mo man nakuha yung opportunity na gustong-gusto mo makuha. Magtiwala ka na may yung opportunity na ibibigay sa'yo, mas bongga yun. And sinasabi dito, there might be some difficulties ahead, but you will push through it. You got this. If you have been struggling or feeling lost, the winds of the change will blow off your favor. If you have been suffering or feeling lost, some things may fall apart, but you're building the framework for something much better. Hang in there. Magtiwala ka. No? Kumbaga, nagkakaroon ng delays or something, cancellation sa lahat ng plano mo. Nag-suffer ka sa lahat ng mga bagay na nawawala sa'yo, magtiwala ka kasi may mga bagay na ibibigay at may magandang idudulot yung pagkawala ng isang bagay na yon. Magtiwala ka, kaya yan inalis sa'yo, kaya yan nawala sa'yo, may dahilan yan. At yung dahilan na yon ay yung mga bagay na magpapayabong sa'yo. At yun yung bagay na magpapaunlad sa'yo. What is the messages of life? There's a forgiveness, no? Kapatawaran, pagpapatawad. Today, I bless each soul I've received to have hurt me. I release them to their own greater good. I can now see that my past provides me with lessons that help me live more fully. In the present, I no longer struggles with what has been said and done. I am grateful for every experience that has brought me here. I feel myself with a love that is pure and free. No? Naniniwala ka na sa lahat ng nangyayari sa buhay mo. It's an experiences. It's a plan of God. It's something purpose, no? And because this is something a process. Kailangan mo lang magtiwala na lahat ng mga bagay sakit at kirot at pigati, lahat ng mga bagay na pagdadaanan mong masakit, no? Mahirap, pero at the end of the time, lahat ng mga bagay na yan ay may kaakibat na tagumpay, no? Fruit of labor is coming in na, no? So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of December 7 hanggang December 13 for the sign of Scorpio. So, Scorpio, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. Because don't forget to like, and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-suporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads away pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw, na biyayang manong balik sa inyo at maraming salamat po. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!